Ever wonder why some men seem to have it all figured out while others struggle? Today we're delving into the crucial life lessons that too often men learn far too late. Our aim? To help you dodge these common missteps. Stay tuned to discover the 10 life lessons men learn too late. The first life lesson that men often learn too late is the importance of self-care. Keeping your physical health in check is crucial for your overall well-being. The second lesson is the value of emotional intelligence. Understanding and managing your emotions can lead to better relationships. The third lesson is the importance of financial literacy, preventing future financial struggles. The fourth lesson is the value of work-life balance, avoiding burnout and protecting personal relationships. Lastly, the fifth lesson is the importance of saying no, setting boundaries to prevent stress and resentment. Now let's move on to the next 5 life lessons. Moving on, the sixth life lesson that men often learn too late is the power of gratitude. Embracing a sense of appreciation for what you have can lead to a happier, more fulfilled life. The seventh lesson underscores the importance of continuous learning. Lifelong learning not only keeps your mind active but can also open doors to new opportunities. Next, we have the value of authenticity. Being true to yourself can lead to more satisfying relationships and a happier life. The ninth life lesson is the importance of patience. Remember, good things often take time. Finally, the 10th lesson is the value of vulnerability. Showing vulnerability can strengthen relationships and lead to personal growth. These are the 10 life lessons men often learn too late. To recap, life lessons men often learn too late include self-care, emotional intelligence, financial literacy, work-life balance, saying no, gratitude, continuous learning, authenticity, patience, and vulnerability. These pillars of wisdom, if grasped early, can significantly elevate the quality of life. They empower us to navigate life's turbulent waters with grace and resilience. So, whether you're 20 or 60, take these lessons to heart. Remember, it's never too late to learn these lessons and improve your life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.